So this is a stereo recording in Reaper. Track 2 was recorded with an SM81, a small condenser microphone pointing at the 12th fret. And track 5 was recorded with a WA47JR, a large condenser microphone pointing at the bridge. Now track 1 is going to be the reverb bus, and track 3 is going to have just the reverb from the WA47JR, and track 4 is going to have just the reverb from the SM81. So let's have a listen to the raw recording. So let's turn on the plugins for the SM81 track. And pretty standard. I'm using this de-hum plugin that I got from Isotope, a couple EQs and a compressor. And on the WA47JR, pretty much the same thing. I'm using this de-hum plugin, a couple EQs and a compressor. Now up on the reverb bus, I'm just using Reaper's stock plugin, ReVerbate. So now let's set up the routing. So currently no receives, no sends. So let's receive the SM81 track. Let's start out with a -5 here. And let's receive the WA47JR. And we'll start here again with a -5. Okay. Now on the SM81, gonna pan that all the way to the left, 100%. And the WA47JR, I'll be panning all the way to the right, 100%. So let's have a listen. So now I'm going to add reverb from the WA47JR and reverb from the SM81, and I'm going to set it up so that the reverb from the WA47JR is panned with the SM81, and the SM81 reverb is panned with the WA47JR. Now we'll pan this WA47JR reverb all the way to the left. Pan this SM81 reverb all the way to the right. Now we'll set up the routing. So we'll send the SM81 track to the SM81 reverb. And now there's a setting in here. It defaults to stereo. And for this particular configuration to work correctly, we need to set this to mono. And you know it's mono because it gets colorized. So now we'll do the routing for the WA47JR. And here we're going to add a new send. This we're going to send to the WA47JR reverb. Again, -5. And we need to set this indicator again. It defaults to stereo, and we got to toggle it to mono. All right, so let's have a listen. So from the meter, you can see that the WA47JR reverb is being panned with the SM81, and the SM81 reverb is being panned with the WA47JR. I've been experimenting for a while with this. I kind of like the result. It kind of widens the soundscape. So this is how you set up a cross-panning reverb in Reaper.